The race to buy an American railway is intensifying as Canadian rail companies battle for it. So who's going to win? With more on this is Hayley Woodin with business in Vancouver. Good morning, Hayley. CP Rail believes the bid by its rival CN should be subject to tougher merger regulations in the U.S. So what happened over the weekend?
That's right. We saw CP file a formal objection with the U.S. transportation regulator, arguing that its rival CN should face tougher merger review by regulators south of the border. Now, CP has an exemption from these rules because it's smaller. It argues that its rival is bigger, and a merger between CN and Kansas City Southern would potentially not be in the public's interest. However, we've also heard from CN, who says that it's really not about the public interest. Its rival CP is making a self-serving attempt to block its effort to acquire this company. At this point in time, very unclear which company might win out. We're quite a long ways away from seeing how that pans out. But every single week, we're seeing a small new development. Both of these companies really do want to acquire this railway company south of the border.
Must be a ton of hurdles to get through for that to happen. All right, moving along, there's a major ruling out of California court stating Amazon can be held liable now for faulty products sold by third parties on its platform. This is a huge development. What can you tell us about it?
It really is. This actually overturned a lower court ruling and has ultimately come to the conclusion that Amazon does bear responsibility for what it sells on its platform. At the heart of this case is a woman who unfortunately suffered severe burns when a hoverboard she purchased on Amazon's site burst into flames. It was purchased from a third-party vendor, but the court has ruled Amazon does owe this individual funds. In fact, they'll be able to receive exemplary damages. The court saw that Amazon was not just an online store, but a key intermediary. It manages payments, it manages communications, and very importantly, it also gets a cut. It profits off of the products it sells on its platform. Amazon does have the opportunity to appeal or challenge this ruling, so it could go to the next level of court, but for now it's a win for the plaintiff in this case.
All right, well, I'm sure you'll keep us abreast of that situation as it unfolds. Thank you so much. That is Hayley Woodin with Business in Vancouver. Have a great day.
Thanks, Jen.